Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the world of cryptocurrency in the United States. Hi everyone, you are watching Introvert Tech, and today I'll be giving you a comprehensive overview of the current state of cryptocurrency in the US. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the concept of cryptocurrency, it's a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009, and since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been developed. U.S. regulation of cryptocurrency. One of the most significant challenges faced by the cryptocurrency industry is regulation. In the U.S., the regulation of cryptocurrency is still in its early stages and is primarily handled by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC. In recent years, the SEC has been cracking down on fraudulent ICOs, initial coin offerings, and has taken action against several companies for misleading investors. However, the SEC has also been supportive of legitimate blockchain and cryptocurrency projects, and the CFTC has classified Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as commodities, which makes them subject to certain regulations. Adoption of cryptocurrency in the U.S. Despite regulatory challenges, the adoption of cryptocurrency in the U.S. has been growing steadily. Major corporations such as Tesla, Square, and PayPal have invested in or begun accepting Bitcoin as payment, and several U.S. states have introduced legislation to encourage the use of cryptocurrency. However, the use of cryptocurrency is still not widespread in the U.S., and many people are still unfamiliar with the concept. One of the reasons for this is the perception that cryptocurrency is risky and unreliable, which is partly due to the high volatility of some cryptocurrencies and the many scams and fraudulent schemes in the industry. The future of cryptocurrency in the U.S. The future of cryptocurrency in the U.S. is uncertain, but it's clear that it has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry. As regulation continues to develop, and more companies and individuals begin to adopt and invest in cryptocurrency, we can expect to see continued growth and development in the U.S. cryptocurrency market. So what exactly is the state of cryptocurrency in the United States? Let's take a closer look. First of all, it's important to note that the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency is still in its early stages. The U.S. government has been slow to adopt clear policies around cryptocurrency, and there are many questions about how it will be regulated in the future. Currently, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has classified many cryptocurrencies as securities, which means that they are subject to the same regulations as other investment products. Despite the lack of clear regulations, there are still many businesses and individuals who are investing in cryptocurrency. In recent years, we've seen a surge in the number of people buying and selling cryptocurrency, and many of these people see it as a way to diversify their portfolios and potentially earn high returns. One of the biggest challenges for cryptocurrency in the United States is its level of adoption. While many people are familiar with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, there are still many who are not. Additionally, there are still many businesses and merchants who are not yet accepting cryptocurrency as a form of payment. However, things are changing, and there are many efforts underway to increase the adoption of cryptocurrency in the United States. For example, there are now many cryptocurrency exchanges and platforms that make it easier for people to buy and sell cryptocurrency, and there are also many companies and startups working on developing new blockchain-based products and services. Another challenge for cryptocurrency in the United States is its level of security. Because cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets, it is vulnerable to cyber attacks and other forms of hacking. This has led to many high-profile incidents where people have lost large amounts of money. Cryptocurrency is widely recognized as a legitimate asset class, with a growing number of individuals and institutions investing in it. According to a recent survey, over half of American adults have heard of cryptocurrency, and nearly 1 in 4 own some form of it. This widespread awareness and adoption is a testament to the growing legitimacy of cryptocurrency in the U.S. However, despite its growing popularity, cryptocurrency still faces significant regulatory challenges in the U.S. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency is complex and fragmented, with different agencies and jurisdictions having different approaches. The most significant challenge facing cryptocurrency in the US is the lack of clear, comprehensive regulation. This has created uncertainty for investors, exchanges, and businesses operating in the crypto space. In recent years, however, regulators have begun to take a closer look at cryptocurrency, and there are signs that this may be changing. The U.S. Treasury Department, for example, has proposed new rules for cryptocurrency that would increase transparency and anti-money laundering measures. Additionally, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has been actively reviewing applications for cryptocurrency-based exchange-traded funds, signaling a potential shift towards a more permissive regulatory environment. Despite these challenges, the future of cryptocurrency in the U.S. looks bright. The growing popularity of cryptocurrency, combined with advances in technology and increasing institutional adoption, suggests that cryptocurrency will play an increasingly important role in the financial system of the future. Many experts predict that cryptocurrency will eventually become a mainstream form of payment, and some even see it as a potential replacement for fiat currencies. Cryptocurrency has been around for over a decade now, and its popularity has been growing steadily. It's a digital currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions and to control the creation of new units. The most well-known cryptocurrency is, of course, Bitcoin, but there are many others as well, including Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. In the United States, cryptocurrency has become a hot topic in recent years. There are many people who are excited about the potential for cryptocurrency to revolutionize the way we think about money and finance. However, there are also those who are skeptical and who see cryptocurrency as a risky and speculative investment. In the United States, the regulation of cryptocurrency is still a developing area. The Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has classified some cryptocurrencies as securities, which means they are subject to federal securities laws. Other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, are considered commodities and are regulated by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Despite the lack of clear regulation, cryptocurrency continues to grow in popularity in the United States. Many proponents of cryptocurrency see it as a way to bypass traditional financial institutions and take control of their own financial assets. On the other hand, critics worry about the potential for illicit activity, such as money laundering, and the lack of consumer protection in the event of fraud or market crashes. Cryptocurrency is a rapidly evolving and highly dynamic asset class that is rapidly gaining recognition and adoption in the U.S. While there are still many challenges ahead, particularly in terms of regulation, the future of cryptocurrency in the U.S. looks bright. Whether you're an investor, entrepreneur, or simply someone who's curious about this exciting new asset class, now is the time to start learning more about cryptocurrency and its potential impact on the financial system of the future. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.